Have you ever stopped to think why in Forex we always trade in currency pairs and not single currencies? Hey there, I'm Chad with Zero Markets, and in this video, I'll show you clearly and directly which pairs are the most popular in the market and why they attract so many traders around the world. Keep watching. The currency market is unlike any other. Everything happens in pairs. That's because when we buy one currency, we're automatically selling another one. It's the push and pull between economies that drives the market. But with so many pairs available, which ones really stand out? Let's take a look at the most traded ones. Let's understand their nicknames, their peculiarities, and why they're so popular among traders. First, let's talk about the giant of Forex, Euro to US dollar. This is the most popular currency pair in the world. It involves the two largest economies globally, the Eurozone and the United States. That's why it attracts traders everywhere. Its high liquidity makes it a favorite for short-term trading. Next, the Gopher, US dollar to Japanese yen. It began trading in the 1970s and it remains one of the most liquid pairs on the market. There's even an interesting correlation. When the dollar strengthens against the yen, US stock markets often rise as well. Then there's the cable, which pairs the British pound, one of the world's oldest currencies, with the US dollar. It's called cable because in the past, quotes were transmitted between London and New York via transatlantic cables. It's especially active during the London trading session. And lastly, the Swissie, US dollar to Swiss franc. Here we have the Swiss franc against the US dollar. The key point is that the franc is seen as a safe haven. During times of crisis and uncertainty, many investors turn to this pair, which boosts its popularity. You might be wondering why understanding currency pairs is so important, right? Each pair has its own dynamic shaped by monetary policy, the economy, and even geopolitical factors of the countries involved. Knowing this helps traders better interpret market moves and adjust their strategies accordingly. If you're enjoying this content, why not subscribe to the Zero Markets channel right now to get more insights like this? Click below, subscribe, and feel free to send us your questions about the market. Our experts will be glad to help. To wrap it up, knowing the world's most traded currency pairs is the first step towards trading more safely in Forex. But remember, they are directly influenced by news, interest rate decisions, and political events. That's why keeping track of the economic calendar is essential if you don't want to be caught off guard. Here on the Zero Markets channel, you'll find plenty of valuable content to keep learning how to trade smarter in the currency market.